Nurses must know the standard precautions for handling the COVID-19 dead bodies. Following the personal protective equipment norms and use of the PPE must be mandatory all the time. Once the dead body is to be removed from the ward or from ICU, all the standard precautions to be ensured. And once the dead body is removed from the ward, and all the equipments, linen and all the other devices used for the patient must be disinfected. And once the body is removed and sent to the mortuary, the same precautions to be taken care. The trolleys or the devices used for transportation from ward to the mortuary should also be disinfected. The mortuary must also ensure proper sanitization and the precautions whatever is required to handle the COVID-19 patient. Embalming or autopsies are generally avoided for COVID-19. Autopsies are performed only in extraordinary situation when forensic requirement is there. The dead body once removed from the mortuary trolleys and trays must also be disinfected, and the body bag which consists the dead body must be prior to placing has to be disinfected, and it should be placed in the transportation van. Prior to taking the dead body to the crematorium staff must be informed and sensitized about the dead body of COVID-19. Proper sanitization should be followed at the crematorium. One last visit of the family members to see the face can be performed by unzipping the face, and at a safe distance the relatives must view the dead body, and kissing or touching the body must be strictly avoided. The religious script reading or sprinkling holy water or other rituals based on the person consent can be performed at a safe distance. And once the disposal is done, crematorium procedures are over, the vehicle transported the dead body must also be disinfected with 1% sodium hypochlorite, and all the staff who handled the dead body must also should ensure that proper hand washing and PPE procedures followed. Large gathering to the crematorium to be avoided, and members who are going to the crematorium or being there must ensure safe social distancing. Those who have attended the crematorium and the staff as well as the family members should follow the hygiene and hand hygiene and hygienic procedures. The ash after cremation doesn't pose risk of virus, so it can be handed over to the family members for the last rites or rituals as per their family norms.